This 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 terabytes is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features a PARAGON interior, sleeps 4, awning, skylight, spare tire kit, LP detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, microwave, TV, external shower, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 terabytes is 4,028 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.